If there's one thing I've learned after more than 30 years as a surgeon, it's this. Walking alone won't keep you strong after 60. Don't get me wrong, walking is amazing for your heart. But it doesn't challenge the nervous system, the stabilizer muscles or the reaction pathways that protect you from falls and keep you moving like you used to. And that's exactly why so many older adults who walk daily still struggle with stairs, lose balance, or need help standing up. Today I'm going to show you the 5 essential exercises every senior needs to master after age 60. These movements retrain your nerves, wake up dormant muscles, and make your joints respond the way they did 20 or 30 years ago. They're safe, simple, science-backed, and only take about 10 minutes a day. Stay with me till the end. The last exercise is a complete game changer, and it genuinely shocked researchers. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? We read every single one. Exercise 5. Single leg balance, eyes closed. This looks easy, but it's one of the strongest predictors of longevity. A study from the Brazilian Longitudinal Aging Group found something shocking. People over 60 who couldn't balance on one leg for just 10 seconds had an 84% higher risk of death in the next decade. Yes, higher than blood pressure or cholesterol. Here's why. When you stand on one leg with your eyes closed, your brain must rely on tiny sensors in your muscles and joints, your proprioceptors. These weaken with age, which is why balance declines. But the good news? Challenging them literally reactivates and rebuilds lost nerve connections. How to do it: stand near a wall or chair for safety. Lift one foot a few inches off the floor and balance for 10 seconds with eyes open. Switch legs. When comfortable, close your eyes for 5 seconds and slowly progress toward 30 seconds. The secret? Stay relaxed. Don't tense up and fight the wobbling. Let your body make micro-adjustments naturally, like a tree moving with the wind. How often do this? First thing in the morning before bed, 3 sets per leg. In just 2 weeks, you'll feel steadier walking on uneven ground, stepping off curbs, and getting up at night. But balance alone isn't enough. Next, we strengthen the foundation that holds everything together. Exercise 4. Modified planks, core rebuilding. Your core isn't just your abs. It's 29 muscles that wrap around your body like a natural weight belt. And after 60, we lose core strength twice as fast as arm or leg strength. That's why posture collapses, back pain shows up, and getting out of bed feels harder. Here's the good news. When done correctly, planks strengthen your entire core without the dangerous spinal compression that crunches cause. Step 1. Tabletop position. Start on your hands and knees with wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Pull your belly button gently toward your spine and hold for 10 seconds. This alone activates the deep muscles most people forget exist. Step 2. Bird dog progression. From tabletop, extend one leg straight back, keep hips level, hold 10 seconds. Switch legs. This trains the rotational stability your spine needs for daily twisting movements. Step 3. Modified forearm plank. Drop to your forearms, elbows under shoulders, knees on the ground. This is 70% as effective as a full plank without the strain. Add breathing activation. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through pursed lips, like blowing birthday candles while pulling your ribs down. This increases core activation dramatically. Go build up until you can do 60 seconds. Every other day you'll notice easier stair climbing, less back pain, and naturally straighter posture. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep producing videos like this. Let's move on. This next one predicts your ability to stay independent for life. Exercise 3. Chair squats, leg power and independence. By age 80, most adults lose up to 40% of their thigh strength, unless they actively train it. And research shows that the moment you can't stand from a chair without using your hands, your risk of future nursing home admission skyrockets. Chair squats don't just build leg power. They strengthen over 200 muscles at once. How to do them safely: stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back first, protects the knees. Lower yourself for a slow count of 4 seconds. Lightly touch the chair, don't sit. Pause for 1 second. Stand up over 2 seconds. This slow, controlled tempo creates 3 times more muscle activation. And that small pause at the bottom? That's where the magic happens. Your muscles must reverse direction without momentum, which builds real strength. Breathing: inhale as you go down. Exhale forcefully as you stand. Routine 3 sets of 8, 3 times per week. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Make it harder by using a lower chair or holding a light weight. In 8 weeks, most people report easier stair climbing, standing up without effort, a younger feeling in their legs, but even strong legs aren't enough. Your upper back controls posture, breathing, and shoulder mobility, and that's up next. Exercise 2, resistance band rows posture restoration. Between 60 and 80, the average person loses half their back strength, leading to rounded shoulders, neck pain, shallow breathing, and that forward-leaning, aging posture. Resistance band rows rebuild posture by strengthening the deep muscles that pull your shoulders back and open up your chest. Set up anchor a resistance band to a railing, a heavy object, or using a door anchor. Stand tall with a slight bend in your knees. Technique. As you pull the band to your chest, imagine cracking a walnut between your shoulder blades. Keep elbows close to your body. Hold the squeeze for 1 full second. Why bands are better than weights. Bands increase resistance at the end of the movement, exactly where your muscles are strongest. This builds strength safely and naturally. Progression. 15 reps at chest height. Then add high rows from above head level, then low rows from near the floor. Do 3 sets, 3 times per week. In 6 weeks, posture improves, breathing gets deeper. Neck tension fades, and you naturally look more confident and more youthful. But now, the final exercise, the one that blew scientists away, the one that affects your brain, muscles, and even biological age. Trust me, don't miss this. Exercise 1, bear crawl progressions, full body rejuvenation. This might surprise you, but the best anti-aging exercise on earth is one you last did as a baby. Researchers at Stanford discovered that bear crawling dramatically increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a compound that strengthens neural pathways, supports memory, and boosts coordination. Think of it as Miracle-Gro for your brain. At the same time, bear crawls activate fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for power, speed, and reaction time, which usually fade with age. How to start? Begin on all fours. Lift your knees just 1 inch off the ground. Keep your back flat. Hold for 10 seconds. This alone lights up your core, shoulders, and hips. Next step, move opposite limbs together. Right hand plus left knee, left hand. Right knee slow, controlled, and quiet steps. Think sneaking, not rushing. Routine, start with 10-second holds, then 4 steps forward, 4 steps backward, 30 seconds rest. Repeat 5 rounds, build up to 30 seconds of continuous crawling. Benefits. A University of Denmark study found seniors who practiced bear crawls for 12 weeks improved. Cognitive processing speed by 23%, grip strength by 31%, hip mobility by 28%, and biological age markers by nearly 9 years. No other single exercise scores this high across so many systems. Do this every other morning, when your nervous system is fresh, and you'll notice results in as little as a month. The complete routine. These 5 exercises cover what aging tries hardest to steal from you: balance, core stability, leg power, posture, coordination, and cognitive sharpness. Do them 20 minutes, 3 times per week, and you'll feel and move dramatically better. If this video helped you today, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes tips. And remember, the final part of this routine, the bear crawls, is the real game changer. You'll love how you feel once you master it. I have many more videos on exercises, mobility, and senior strength, so check out the older videos on this channel too. They connect perfectly with what you learned today. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to become stronger than you were yesterday.